Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apple AirTag with iPhone. Find my beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up your Apple AirTag with your iPhone, ensure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Remove the AirTag from its packaging and pull the plastic tab to activate the battery. Hold the AirTag near your iPhone. Wait for a pop-up on your iPhone screen that says Connect. Tap on Connect to proceed with the setup. Choose a name for your AirTag from the suggested options or create a custom name. Select an emoji that you want to associate with your AirTag for easy identification. Tap on Continue to move to the next step. Now, your AirTag will be linked to your Apple ID. Once setup is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen with the message AirTag is ready. You can now attach your AirTag to your keys, backpack, or any item you want to keep. To locate your AirTag, open the Find My app on your iPhone. Tap on the Items tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see your AirTag listed. Select your AirTag to view its last known location on the map. If your AirTag is nearby, tap on Play Sound to help you find it. Follow the sound to locate your AirTag easily. Additionally, you can enable Notify when found to receive an alert if the AirTag is detected by another device. If your AirTag is out of Bluetooth range, use the Find My Network feature for assistance in locating it. Your AirTag is now fully set up and ready to help you keep track of your belongings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.